We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about Sandbox in SketchUp. Using specialized Sandbox tool, you can import or create terrain in SketchUp. Using these tools, you can create berms, ponds, landscape, and so on. You can likely need to sculpt your terrain or make minor adjustments. If Sandbox tool is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in Toolbar menu under View tab. Let's move to the video to know more about Sandbox tool. First, we will discuss about from contours. This is used to create the sandbox from contour. Next, we will discuss about from scratch. The from scratch tool is used to create sandbox from scratch. Next one is Smoove. Using Smoove tool, you can create bumps and depressions of any size by pushing or pulling. Before activate Smoove tool, double-click the group containing your terrain to edit it. Click the base point of the Smoove or type a new radius for the Smoove. Smooth the mesh up or down graphically or give the offset values in positive or negative coordinates. Next one is stamp. This tool stamps a flat surface on to our terrain and creates a transmission from the flat surface to the surrounding terrain. Select the face to stamp into the mesh. Then select the mesh to stamp into. Then specify the elevation of the stamped face. Next one is drape. This tool enables you to transfer edges from a face onto your terrain. Select the entities you wish to drape. Select the mesh on which you wish to drape. Thanks for watching this video.